Hello everyone. Today we will discuss class 7th Geography chapter 1 our environment. So let's begin the chapter. First of all, environment. What does it mean? It means everything that surrounds us, making our environment. The term environment comes from the French word environner, which means to surround. So, everything that surrounds us, for example, things, places, nature, table, chair, people, etc., comprises human made and natural things. They all add up to our environment. Our environment is made up of different components. As you can see in this, many components are included. So let's talk about the components of environment. Components of environment can be categorized into three categories. Natural environment, it includes air, water, land and living things. Abiotic components consist of non-living things like land, water, air, and biotic components consist of living things like plants and animals. Next is human environment. It includes individual, family, community, religion, education, political situations, and economic scenarios. The third category is man-made environment. It includes parks, roads, buildings, monuments and industries, etc. So let's learn about the natural environment. As we earlier discussed, land, water, air, plants and animals makes the natural environment. Here, this is a fact that every year we celebrate World Environment Day to save our environment on 5th of June every year. Now the domains of the environment. As you can see in this picture, there are 4 domains of environment. The lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. So let's discuss lithosphere, the solid crust of the hard top of layer of the earth, which is made up of rocks, minerals and covered by thin layer of soil, is called lithosphere. The term lithosphere means rocky crust. It not only includes the land surface but also the oceanic floor. The average thickness of the lithosphere is about 100 kilometers. Lithosphere provide land for building houses, roads, factories and also for agriculture. The second domain is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is that part of the earth's surface which is covered by water. And we all know that about 71% of the earth's surface is covered with water. All the water bodies such as oceans, seas, ice cap, glaciers, groundwater and fresh water together make up the hydrosphere. This is the third component, or we can say the domain of the environment, the atmosphere. In this picture you can see the composition of air. 78% nitrogen, 20.9% oxygen, other gases 0.17%, argon 0.9% and carbon dioxide 0.03%. So, atmosphere is made up of many types of gases. It is a thin layer of air that surrounds the earth, and other than gases, it consists dust and water vapor. Any change in the atmosphere produce change in the weather and climate. Without atmosphere, our earth would have been barren like other planets. And the fourth domain is biosphere. Plants, animals, water, earth and human life makes the biosphere also known as the living world. Here you can see the picture of biosphere. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support the life. It means all the domains here attracts and interact to support the life. The next is ecosystem. An ecosystem includes all of the living things such as plants, animals and organisms in a given area interacting with each other and also with their non-living environments like weather, earth, sun, soil, climate and atmosphere. In every ecosystem, there is a perfect balance or equilibrium in the transfer of energy and matter among the different components, as you can see in this picture, and this is known as ecological balance between components of environment. Now the human environment, let's learn about this. Human beings interact with the environment on day-to-day basis and modify it according to their needs. Due to modernization, our needs grew, so we learned new ways to fulfill our needs, such as roads, bridges, construction work, social, economical, and other conditions. Early humans lived in harmony with natural surroundings. They lived a simple life. They could fulfill their basic need from the nature around them. But with scientific and technological advancement, human beings succeeded in controlling and dominating nature. Furthermore, we gather things as per demands. Example, to construct a building, we need raw materials including rocks and woods. For this, we may look to nature. We can get rocks from the mountain and wood from cutting down the trees. And because of this, there is a great threat to environment because all the human activities disturb our natural environment. For instance, man-made things such as fumes are polluting the air. Land is being consumed to build factories. So, we need to repair our environment and make a perfect balance between the natural and human environment with our effort. With this, we end up this chapter here and will meet with you in a new video. Thank you.